Dynamic single leg lateral step tap. Combination with elevation on a weighted bench while holding dumbbells. This is a high-intensity lower body and core coordination exercise involving unilateral leg strength, balance, and controlled movement. Breakdown of the exercise. 1. Start standing with dumbbells in both hands. 2. Cross one leg to the side, tap the floor. 3. Bring the same leg up to center top of the bench. 4. Step back down to the same side, tap the ground again. 5. After 4 counts, switch to the other leg. 6. Alternating legs continuously. Muscles worked. Lower body. Gluteus medius and minimus. Hip stability. During the side tap and single leg stance. Gluteus maximus. Powering the step up and controlling the descent. Quadriceps. Extending the knee during the upward phase to the bench. Hamstrings. Assisting hip extension and knee control while lowering. Adductors, inner thigh, engage during the crossing and stabilization. Calves, gastrocnemius, soleus, stabilizing the ankle and supporting. Balance during single leg support. Hip flexors, lifting the leg up to the bench. Core and trunk. Obliques, assist in rotation and lateral movement control. Rectus abdominis, stabilizes your trunk during leg movement. Transverse abdominis, deep core support for balance and spinal stability. Upper body, isometric. Deltoids, anterior middle. Stabilize arm position while holding dumbbells. Forearm flexors, extensors. Grip strength for dumbbells. Trapezius and rhomboids. Keep shoulders stable and back straight under load. Functional benefits. Improves unilateral leg strength and balance. Enhances core stability and coordination. Builds functional strength and mimics. Real-world movement, like stepping sideways, upward. Great for cardio conditioning if done at moderate pace with high reps. Please check my next video.